Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Blue Boy FX. Big shout out to those that have subscribed to our channel, and please, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do want to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. Like the video, share the link of the video to your friends. Let them also watch and learn. The sky is big enough for all of us, so why don't we share this knowledge with our friends? So for those of you who would be interested in joining our Telegram channel, the description of this video is going to carry the link to that channel, so check on it. Those that wants to message me on WhatsApp, my WhatsApp number is on the description. As you can see, I've been scalping on the crash 300 since yesterday. For those on my VIP yesterday of them to buy crash, yeah, so this is where we were. As you can see, yesterday was when I entered this trade, and we are still scalping. That's my VIP. Okay, so this trade has given us a lot of profit. At the moment, I'm running on a profit of $133 on each position which I opened yesterday. In between these scalping, I've been also catching spikes. Yeah, I tried that. Sometimes we call it hedging. In forex we call it hedging. Oh guys, that was the spike, but that's not really the spike I need. Okay, this strategy is not really a scalping strategy. I bought the market because I used my trend line, I used my support and resistance, and I used more accurate kind of apparatus or parameters rather. Okay, this wasn't a spike inspired trade. Okay guys, although I'm going to show you how to catch spike, but that's gonna take a while. But right now I'm scalping. I've been scalping since yesterday. Let me go to the lower time frame so you can see that. Okay, see my position, that's where I entered the trade from, and we have been winning big. We've been winning big. So the new VIP group just opened, and it's limited to a number of people, so my VIP group, I accept a certain number of people. So guys, don't miss out on this opportunity. Grab this opportunity so that you won't miss out on it. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to catch. I'm going to show you how I'm going to catch a spike on crash 300. Yeah, although to me, I believe that the best scalping pay is the crash 300. Yeah, because each minute it scalps greater than other pairs. Now let's take a look at let's say crash 1000. You see, it scalps. It's 1 minute, it's bigger than this. If you check the candlestick, you will see what I'm talking about. Now let's go back to 300. So that is the best scalping pair for me personally. That's my own thought. Haven't looked at everything and checked it out. It's the best scalping pair, but you have to be very careful when scalping. When the spike comes, it can be disastrous. Okay, I decided to hold on the trade because looking at the higher time frame, it's an uptrend. You can see that for yourself. So there are very many reasons I went into this trade. So if you want to learn how to go into trades like this, a mentorship class is also open and is running. We take a couple for just the month. Okay, a couple of people for the month. We don't want to we don't want to make it tedious. So guys, as you can see, my analysis indicator is up and running. I already had my support, resistance, and the rest of the thing in place from yesterday's trade already on my computer. So always know that I always talk about that. Always have that in place. Okay, so guys, I have my indicator up and running, and I'm going to show you the things I'm using. As you can see, I have the moving average on my main chart. I have the indicator window, which carries the relative strength index, another moving average, and envelopes. Okay, so at the end of this video, I'm going to show you the settings which I use. Of course, if you have watched any of my video before, you will understand what I'm really talking about. Okay, so I don't know why you don't want to get rich. Don't you know you can get rich? Your $300, your $200 could turn you into a millionaire. Of course. So guys, let's go get this money. Okay, let's secure the bag. Okay, all right. So like this video, share the link to your friends so that they can watch it. Okay, and learn. I mean, what's the use if the whole team is not winning? Then it's of no use. Let the whole team win. Let your whole team win. Okay, let your whole team win. So guys, as you can see, we have the level 90 and the level 10, which is the overbought and the oversold region. This might be the last time. Listen, this might be the last time. I'm just doing this because I've not used crash 300 on this analysis. Like, I've not made a video of it, and someone was like, hey, you've not tried this on crash 300, does it work? Now I want to show you that it works. When I told you it works on crash and boom pairs, I wasn't kidding. I was very serious about it. So as you can see, we have the upper band and the lower band. The upper band is the red line. The upper band is the red line here. Okay, that's the upper band, and the lower band is the green, while the moving average is this black here that is moving in the middle. Okay, so I'm actually waiting for the moving average to get to at least level 80, level 75 to 80 before I get into this trade. At level 90, once it gets to level 90, we expect a spike. So why don't we start entering the trade from somewhere? Although we are going to be on the losing side before we catch the spike, but we are going to minimize that risk of losing so much before the spike comes. So follow up this video. As you can see back here, when the price got to level 90, to level 90 here, we had a spike which brought the price down to this level here. The spike came one at a time, it didn't come all at once. But we shouldn't forget that crash 300 at the moment is buying. It's an uptrend. So we are going to be very careful on how we get into this trade. We are not supposed to catch a spike in this trade at the moment because it's an uptrend. Okay, it's buying. But being a professional trader, you can still do this, but you have to know how to manage your risks. Okay, so that you don't get your account blown. Okay, if you are scalping, you're scalping. If you are catching spikes, you're catching spikes. So hedging actually works well with a big account. Okay, an account that has a bigger size. So guys, as you can see, the moving average is now going to get in contact with our upper band, which is a good time to get into the trade. I'm not saying the spike is coming immediately it touches the upper band, but it's a good place to get into the entry. So I'm going to enter this trade with just one lot, just one position, because I'm not playing out here. Okay, so I'm going to enter with one position and with one or two lot size. Okay, so you're going to give me, let's wait, the time is 12:06. Let's just give it 2 more minutes at least, or at least 1 more minute. So guys, while waiting for this, if you love to trade the currency pair too, make sure you hit me up. I have something for you. Let's do something together. There is something cooking. So if you love the currency trading, hit me up. My WhatsApp number is on the description of this video, and the Telegram link of the free signal group is on the description of this video too. So hit me up guys, I'm waiting for you. Okay, so now I'm going to get into this trade because it's time for me to get into the trade. So let's do this. I said I was going to use a one lot size, or let's use a 1.5. so it's time, and I'm selling. Alright, so I've gotten into the trade and I'm waiting for that spike. So guys, let's watch this magic. Make sure you follow the rules that I'm going to give to you. Don't try what I haven't said. Okay, don't try your luck. Follow the rules. Okay, so while waiting for the spike, invite your friends, share the video to them, tell them about bluebird. Oh guys, that was the spike. So that spike is not actually the spike we're waiting for, but we are catching spikes and scalping, but as it stands now, I'm okay. I've made $13 profit. Why don't I take that and move? Because it's going to buy. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. If I told you earlier on that this is an uptrend, so it's not, I was just showing you that this strategy works on the crash 300 too, and I'm in profit. So guys, you saw the time that the spike came. As I told you earlier, this is an uptrend. So during an uptrend, we shouldn't be trying these out, but I'm just showing you that this strategy works on the crash 300 too. So I'm going to take you straight up to the settings, the apparatus that I use, and the parameters that I applied. Okay, so as I said earlier, the main chart has the moving average and the indicator window also has the moving average. They all carry the same settings. Okay, so the moving average of the main chart, this is the settings for it. The period is 10, the shift is 0, the method exponential, apply to close. Okay, apply to close. The style is 2 pixel, there are no levels. So the black color I'm using, there you could use a blue if you want to use a blue, but if you're using a blue, don't repeat the blue again on any other parameter. Okay, so that's for the moving average, but you could use a black if you have a white background like me. Okay, so after that, you click on done. You now click on this, because this is what you're going to see before. Now click on this, the F there, that will now bring you to the indicator window, which you add the relative strength index first. Okay, so the period is 14, apply to close, style is 2 pixel. I used white, you could use gray. Okay, the levels are 10 and 90, and you can add a description to them if you want to. The style there is 2 pixel and black. Okay, so after you're done with that, you go back and you click on done. Then the next thing you're adding is the moving average. You're going to click on this particular array, this one here, because it's going to come out after you've already clicked on the first one. Okay, so you click on this and you add the moving average, which will carry the same settings as the one on the main chart. So period 10, shift 0, exponential, apply to close, style is 2 pixel, levels, there are no levels. Okay, I use black. When you're done, you click on done and you go back and add envelopes, being the last one. Okay, envelopes, period 70, shift 0, deviation is 0.900, method is simple, apply to close. Yes, apply to close. Upper band, lower band, 2 pixel. Use colors that will reflect on your background. Okay, so there are no levels there. When you are done, you click on done, you go back and wait for your spike. Okay guys, so as you can see, we are done here and we are out. So these things work. We are going to expect another spike, but I'm not going to wait for that. Okay, I'm not going to wait for that because I have a purpose. I can't go against the trading rules. Okay, it's an uptrend, I'm supposed to buy, I'm buying, I'm in profit. So this was just an example on this pair. I don't mind cutting the losses, it's nothing, we are going to get it back. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. Those of you that love the currency trading, there is something huge. Hit me up on my WhatsApp. There is something huge. That your $100 could gain you 10k. Trust me on that. Okay, that your 200 could gain you 10k too. So hit me up, let's do this together. For those that want to learn, join our free channel. Okay, let me close this trade now. I want to close it. Okay, so those of you that wants to join our free Telegram channel, join. And those that want to join our VIP, hit me up on my WhatsApp. Don't miss this opportunity. Okay, we are out to get this money together. So let's stay rich. Let me help you get rich. Help your friends get rich too, because the whole team has to win. Thanks for watching this video. See you guys on the other video. Like, subscribe, and share the video. Thanks, guys.